Hello guys! Ayan, hi! Good morning! Today we're going to unboxing my red wine. Ayan guys, I will show you the unboxing my red wine. So ayan guys ha, let's do it mga kalindog, ang ating unboxing. So guys, I show you. So I ordered in Amazon the sweet red wine, mga kalindog. This is my favorite. So wait, so like that. So para you can see better, and I take it out all this mess here. So guys, I order in Greece again, the red wine, the sweet red wine. Ayan. So yamas, yamas mga kalindog. So ayan mga kalindog, let's open and let's try this. Ayan. So guys, ayan dumating siya. They arrived yesterday, my red wine. So let's open guys. I'm so excited because it's going winter. It's coming now the winter. So I need every winter drinking the red sweet wine. Mwah! So, let's show you. Ayan mga kalindog, let's open. Ayan. Hello, all my members, and thank you for always there. And of course, Sissy Chrissy, ayan, thank you. So ayan guys, I open now. Whoops, whoops, and oh my God. So ayan mga kalindog, and whoops. So ayan mga kalindog ha. Show you. So wait lang. So ayan mga kalindog. Very heavy siya. And, ayan of course, nandito yung certificate na, ayan, ayan, ayan guys. So, ayan, Patras 2 liter, ayan. Ito yung 2 liters. So, ibig sabihin, this is the certificate or talagang receipt ng really from Greece. So, ayan guys, I show you. Pakita ko sa inyo. Oops. Ayan guys. Oh. Ito yung lagi kong ininom. This is I always drink guys, the red wine from Greece. Ayan, I will. Santali Mambro Tipingaus. Ayan guys. Oh. Ay naku mga kalindog. That is really really sweet. Very satisfaction. Ayan guys, of course, nilagyan nila, they put always like this. So this is the styrofoam, so they can be sure that the bottles is safe. Ayan, from Greensland. Sorry. And they have also this plastic with bubbles. So ayan guys, these bubbles is they make like this when I was young. They try to blow it. There, you see? So ayan guys, here's another one. So guys, I ordered 3 because every night I drink this red wine. Red wine is better and healthy. Only 1 glass of wine every night. They can help your blood pressure, your skin. You see, ayan. So it's getting better and better and younger. You see? Pero, so ayan mga kalindog, another one. Wait lang mga kalindog. I will show you because I cannot see. Oh, sorry guys, my throat is really itchy. Ayan mga kalindog, another one. So we have 3 bottles already. So guys, this is really sweet wine. So let's see kung ano pa yung mga nandyan. Ayan mga kalindog. So of course, these boxes or this box, ayan ano, diba? Yung mga kalindog. So let's see kung meron let's see down under if something again, nothing. So only like this guys. So para safety talaga, diba? So we can use also this guy for this coming Christmas decor. You see? You can use Christmas decors. O yan mga kalindog, no? So pakita ko sa inyo. So wait guys. Let's put it back again. because this we don't need. So I will show you guys what is really here, my thing. So we don't need these boxes no more. So ayan mga kalindog, I will show you. Oh, mga kalindog, yummy. Ayan guys. So three bottles guys, huh? I think this will gonna be along for let's say 4 months or 5 months. So I hope guys. So ayan, di ba? Very maganda siya. Very this is 100% sweet guys. Ayan oh. Wait, ha, let's read how many percent. Ayan guys. So of course this is wait. Where they put here? So I don't know guys, nasaan yung sweetness dyan. Wait. 18 temperature cells 18. So they need to put in the temperature 18 degrees guys. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. So they need in, ayan guys, they need to put in the room, the temperature is 18 degrees. Ayan, cold, okay? And of course, kailangan natin malaman kung gaano siya katamis. So where is here the things from how many sweet guys? Wait, I wanna know how many percent. So guys, in buying out Graceland. Ayan, this is coming from Graceland. They put also here guys, you know, coming from Graceland. So I wanna know how many percent ng kanyang sweet. 15. So ayan guys, I think 20 and 15 fall. So this is, I think, 100% sweet guys. This is not the trocken, or this is not the dry, not dry, but this is really sweet. Okay, that's it. Basta. Okay, that's it. He is sweet, or this is sweet. Like I love it guys. Ayan, I drink it always this a night, 1 glass a night, or when I'm eating or having my my dinner with the fish guys. Masarap din siya. It's very good with the fish guys. So why don't you try it? So ayan, order na kayo. San Sally from Greece. Ayan guys. So I love it again. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope did you enjoy my video. So guys, don't forget to smile. Bye.